There's really a lot of construction going on around here, and it's not just a few little places that I'm showing you all today, but it's really there's other places too. There's a lot of construction here in Eastern St Thomas. It's really nice to see. But there's some construction going on. Well, it's not going on right now, but it goes on down in this vicinity. Well, that's a nice little house. Looks like the way the pipe is, they may be going up 2 stories. Be a nice little 2-story house. That's nice. And then there's another one down here. Looks like they had it lined out, and yeah, looks like they had it lined out and just did a little bit of work after that. Well, that's a tall amount of blocks. That's like 400 blocks maybe. Yeah, that could be like 400 blocks. So they got enough to pretty much go up or past the lintels with that. They even got a water tank set up. Oh, now see, how do they manage to not get the cattle to knock off their pipe? Theirs sticks out a long ways compared to what mine did. And for one thing, they don't have any water in it. Maybe that's why. They just bring the truck down here and fill it, and then it's all emptied out now. I don't know. I've just had bad luck with mine. Had some bad mine cattle. Nice and cool and breezy down here. Wow, it's cool down here. Oh, that breeze feels so nice in the shade here. Well, that's a big old bull. Well, not really very big though, but you got a long rope. But see, that's the way people are supposed to tend to their cattle. You tie them to a tree, and then you don't have all the trouble with them getting in people's yards and such. Really a beautiful, beautiful, nice breeze down here in the cow bush, or on the way to the cow bush. So anyway, I just wanted to go for a little walk this morning and do a little video. I've been trying to do one every day, as you all know. And it's not easy because I take far too long editing, and then it takes a while for it to become rendered properly on YouTube. Anyway, bless up yourselves. Be sure and like, comment, share. Be sure and like, comment, share, and subscribe to Red Button Journal. Big up yourself.